Upgraded 20 kilopascals powerful carpet upholstery spot cleaner, professional deep stain remover for pets, stairs, car seats, couches, furniture. Get professional quality deep cleaning with the upgraded 20 kilopascals carpet cleaner machine. Engineered for powerful stain removal, this portable upholstery spot cleaner shampooer is perfect for carpets, furniture, car interiors, stairs, and more. Whether you're tackling tough pet stains, liquid spills, or deep-seated dirt, this machine's enhanced 20 kilopascal suction power ensures a thorough clean, leaving surfaces fresh and spotless. The Shark Carpet Expert Upright Deep Carpet Cleaner EX151 is a top-of-the-line carpet cleaning machine designed to deliver powerful, deep cleaning results. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt, stubborn stains, or pet messes, this cleaner is equipped with everything you need for a spotless home. Here are more details on its features. Powerful cleaning performance. The Shark Carpet Expert features deep clean technology that works to loosen and lift dirt from deep within your carpet fibers, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its multi-surface brush roll is designed to tackle a wide range of dirt types, from light debris to more embedded grime, without damaging the fibers of your carpet. Handheld Spot Stain Eliminator. One of the standout features of the Shark Carpet Expert is the handheld spot stain eliminator. This tool allows you to target stubborn, localized stains in high-traffic areas or on furniture. Whether it's a pet accident, food. 12-ounce carpet cleanser. The cleaner comes with a 12-ounce bottle of Shark Carpet Cleaner, specifically designed to work with the Carpet Expert to break down tough stains and odors. This cleanser helps enhance the cleaning process and leaves your carpet smelling fresh and looking revitalized. Dirt grime removal. With its advanced dirt grip technology, the Shark Carpet Expert is built to remove dirt and grime from all carpet types. Whether you have plush, shag, or low-pile carpet, this cleaner can tackle a variety of surfaces and restore the appearance of your floors. Easy to use and maneuver. The upright design of the Shark Carpet Expert is engineered for ease of use. It's lightweight and features swivel steering, so you can easily navigate around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. It's also designed with an extra-large capacity tank, meaning fewer trips to refill or empty, saving you time while you clean. Sleek slate green design. The slate green color gives the Shark Carpet Expert a stylish, modern look that will blend seamlessly into any home decor. Despite its sleek appearance, it's built to be rugged and durable for long-lasting use, while you clean. Pet-friendly cleaning. If you're a pet owner, you'll appreciate the Pet multi-surface brush roll and Pet stain eliminator capabilities. It's designed to lift embedded pet hair, dander, and messes from your carpets, ensuring a thorough clean that helps reduce allergens and odors. Pet-friendly cleaning. If you're a pet owner, you'll appreciate the Pet multi-surface brush roll and Pet stain eliminator capabilities. It's designed to lift embedded pet hair, dander, and messes from your carpets, ensuring a thorough clean that helps reduce allergens and odors. Additional features. Fast drying time. The Carpet Expert uses a high suction power to ensure faster drying times, allowing you to get back to using your space quickly. Large cleaning path. It has an extra wide cleaning path to help you cover more ground in less time, making it great for larger rooms and homes with a lot of carpeted areas. In summary, the Shark Carpet Expert EX151 is a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use carpet cleaner. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt, pet stains, or deep-set grime, this cleaner will help you restore your carpets and keep them looking fresh. With its combination of deep cleaning technology, handheld stain remover, and stylish design, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to achieve a spotless home with minimal effort. Portable carpet cleaner machine. Powerful deep stain remover for home, upholstery, pets. Keep your home, car, and furniture spotless with this portable carpet cleaner machine, designed to remove deep-seated stains, pet messes, and everyday spills with powerful suction and advanced cleaning technology. Whether you're dealing with accidental spills on the sofa, muddy paw prints on the carpet, or stains in your car seats, this upholstery cleaner provides efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Key features. Benefits. High-powered cleaning with 450W brushless motor, Features a durable and energy-efficient brushless motor that delivers strong suction power for deep stain removal. Operates quietly compared to traditional motors, ensuring a pleasant cleaning experience. Deep stain removal technology effectively lifts and removes tough stains, embedded dirt, pet accidents, and odors from a variety of surfaces. Ideal for high-traffic areas, pet-friendly homes, and car interiors where stains are common. Specialized pet stain removal, designed specifically for homes with pets, targets pet stains, fur, dander, and odors with precision. Helps maintain a hygienic and odor-free. Operates quietly compared to traditional motors, ensuring a pleasant cleaning experience. Deep stain removal technology effectively lifts and removes tough stains, embedded dirt, pet accidents, and odors from a variety of surfaces. Ideal for high-traffic areas, pet-friendly homes, and car interiors where stains are common. Specialized pet stain removal, designed specifically for homes with pets, targets pet stains, fur, dander, and odors with precision. Helps maintain a hygienic and odor-free. Flexible hose provide extended reach for cleaning hard-to-access areas. User-friendly operation maintenance. Simple one-touch control system makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Detachable water tanks for easy filling and emptying. Reusable filter system for cost-effective maintenance and long-term use. What's included? Portable carpet cleaner machine black, cleaning hose nozzle attachments, detachable clean dirty water tanks, user manual for easy setup maintenance, perfect for pet owners, families, and car enthusiasts. This portable carpet cleaner machine is your go-to solution for quick, efficient, and deep cleaning. Say goodbye to tough stains and lingering odors. Bring home this powerful stain remover today. CC3500W Portable Carpet Spot and Upholstery Cleaner 18 kPa Powerful Deep Cleaning Machine. Say goodbye to tough stains, pet messes, and dirt buildup with this 18 kPa carpet cleaner machine. Designed for powerful deep cleaning, this 500W spot and upholstery cleaner is your ultimate tool for restoring carpets, sofas, furniture, and car interiors. Whether it's a pet accident, food spill, or embedded grime, this high-performance deep cleaner efficiently lifts stains while ensuring faster drying. Key features: benefits: 500W high-powered motor, 18 kPa suction, advanced suction technology with 18 kPa of powerful suction, effectively lifting stubborn stains, dirt, and excess moisture. Fast drying technology removes water from surfaces, preventing mold and mildew. Energy efficient and durable brushless motor for long-lasting performance with quieter operation. Deep cleaning for stubborn stains, professional-grade cleaning that removes embedded stains from various surfaces. Ideal for spilled drinks, grease stains, pet accidents, and everyday dirt. Works well with various cleaning solutions to enhance stain removal. Pet-friendly stain removal, specifically designed to eliminate pet stains, odors, and fur buildup. Powerful suction and deep cleaning technology target urine stains, muddy paw prints, and lingering pet smells. Helps maintain a hygienic and fresh-smelling home. Multi-surface deep cleaning, carpets, rugs, restores fibers and removes deep-seated dirt. Sofas upholstery safe for delicate fabrics, effectively removing stains. Car seats interiors extract spills, dust, and grime from car interiors. Furniture mattresses ideal for lifting stains and keeping surfaces fresh. Pet areas. What's included in the box? 500W carpet cleaner machine, black, portable design, detachable clean dirty water tanks, large capacity for continuous cleaning, cleaning hose, specialized nozzle attachments, user manual for setup maintenance. Why choose this carpet cleaner? 18 kPa strong suction power for deep cleaning, 500W high-performance motor for efficiency, perfect for pet owners' homes with kids, versatile for carpets, sofas, car interiors. More compact, lightweight, easy to store. Experience effortless stain removal with its powerful motor, high suction, and multi-surface cleaning capability. This portable carpet cleaner is the perfect choice for keeping your home and car spotless. Remove stubborn stains, refresh up. Why choose this carpet cleaner? 18 kPa strong suction power for deep cleaning, Portable carpet upholstery cleaner machine, 18 kilopascals powerful suction, 500 W deep cleaning for pet stains, carpets, furniture, car interiors. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this 500 W carpet cleaner machine, designed for deep stain removal and spot cleaning. With an impressive 18 kilopascals suction power, this portable upholstery cleaner effectively lifts tough stains, dirt, and pet messes from carpets, sofas, car SA. Key features: benefits: 500 W high-powered motor, 18 kilopascals suction, strong, deep cleaning suction power removes stubborn stains, embedded dirt, and spills effortlessly. Fast drying technology extracts excess moisture, preventing mold, mildew, and odors. Energy efficient brushless motor ensures quieter operation and long-lasting performance. Effectively tackles tough stains such as coffee spills, pet accidents, grease, wine stains, food spills, and mud tracks, ideal for high-traffic areas. Restoring carpets and upholstery to their original fresh and clean condition. Works with various cleaning solutions to enhance stain removal power for professional-grade results. Pet-safe stain-focused cleaning, specially designed for pet owners, eliminates urine stains, pet hair, muddy paw prints, and lingering pet odors. Effectively cleans pet beds, carpets, and sofas, preventing bacteria buildup and foul odors. Gentle on fabrics yet tough on stains, making it ideal for homes with pets and kids. Multi-surface deep cleaning versatility. Carpets, rugs restores fibers and removes deep-seated dirt buildup. Couches, sofas lifts food stains, pet messes, and embedded grime. Car seats, interiors extracts spills, stains, and dust from both fabric and leather upholstery. Furniture, mattresses freshens and restores surfaces for a clean, like new appearance. Pet beds, upholstery removes pet dander, fur, and stains for a hygienic environment. Multi-surface deep cleaning versatility. Carpets, rugs restores fibers and removes deep-seated dirt buildup. Couches, sofas lifts food stains, pet messes, and embedded grime. Car seats, interiors extracts spills, stains, and dust from both fabric and leather upholstery. Furniture, mattresses freshens and restores surfaces for a clean, like new appearance. Pet beds, upholstery removes pet dander, fur, and stains for a hygienic environment. Enjoy a spotless, stain-free home with ease. Say goodbye to tough stains, pet messes, and dirt buildup with this powerful, easy-to-use carpet cleaner. Whether you need to refresh your sofa, deep clean your car seats, or eliminate pet stains, this professional-grade cleaner delivers. Get yours today and enjoy a fresher, cleaner home and car every day. Upgraded 20 kilopascals powerful carpet upholstery spot cleaner. Professional deep stain remover for pets, stairs, car seats, couches, furniture. Get professional quality deep cleaning with the upgraded 20 kilopascals carpet cleaner machine. Engineered for powerful stain removal, this portable upholstery spot cleaner shampooer is perfect for carpets, furniture, car interiors, stairs, and more. Whether you're tackling tough pet stains, liquid spills, or deep-seated dirt, this machine's enhanced 20 kilopascals sucked. Key features: benefits: 20 kilopascals powerful suction, deep efficient cleaning, upgraded suction technology lifts embedded dirt, pet messes, and stubborn stains with ease. Twice the suction power of standard models ensures faster and more effective cleaning. Fast drying system removes excess moisture, reducing drying time and preventing mold or mildew growth. Advanced spot cleaning shampooing system efficiently removes deep stains like coffee spills, wine, grease, pet accidents, and mud. Key features: benefits: 20 kilopascals powerful suction, deep efficient cleaning, upgraded suction technology lifts embedded dirt, pet messes, and stubborn stains with ease. Twice the suction power of standard models ensures faster and more effective cleaning. Fast drying system removes excess moisture, reducing drying time and preventing mold or mildew growth. Advanced spot cleaning shampooing system efficiently removes deep stains like coffee spills, wine, grease, pet accidents, and mud. Smart user-friendly design, lightweight, compact, portable, ergonomic handle, lightweight body for effortless carrying. Compact storage-friendly design, ideal for small spaces, perfect for home, office, pet areas, and car detailing. Extra long power cord flexible hose for extended reach. Longer 16.4-foot power cord allows you to clean large rooms without constantly switching outlets. Flexible hose precision nozzle attachments reach tight spaces, corners, and upholstery folds. Dual water tanks, hassle-free operation, easy maintenance. Separate clean dirty water tanks prevent cross-contamination. Large tank capacity means fewer refills during cleaning sessions. Detachable washable filters ensure long-lasting performance and reduce maintenance costs. What's included? Upgraded 20 kilopascals carpet cleaner machine, portable powerful, dual water tanks, clean dirty water separation, flexible cleaning hose, specialized nozzle attachments, user manual for quick setup maintenance. Why choose this carpet cleaner? Upgraded 20 kilopascals strong suction for deep stain removal. Professional quality cleaning at an affordable price. Portable lightweight design for easy use. Perfect for pet owners, families, and car enthusiasts. 16.4 feet extra long power cord for greater cleaning coverage. Versatile for carpets, sofas, car interiors, upholstery, more. Dual tank system for effortless operation maintenance. Say goodbye to stubborn stains, pet messes. Tackle pet stains, food spills, and deep-set dirt with this high-powered, upgraded carpet and upholstery cleaner. Whether you need to refresh your couch, deep clean your stairs, or remove pet accidents, this professional-grade spot cleaner delivers powerful results. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home and car effortlessly.